Alright, I'm in my third shirt of the day, third pair of socks. Now I'm going, it's too hot in the backyard to do any more work on that tree stump. So today I'm going to, this afternoon, and it is boiling, 35 degrees or so out there. I'm going to cut two of these branches off, the ones kind of, I don't know if you can see in front there, high up. I'd like to do more, do them another time. My neighbors, both sides, very neglectful when it comes to their trees, and these two branches in the storm last week, we had a big windy storm, and they were actually blown so hard they were tapping on my windows, maybe more than tapping. So I'm cutting them off. I know the lady next door, she doesn't seem to approve whenever I prune or trim or cut any dead tree or branches, so this is her tree. The husband said, yeah, cut whatever you need to do. I was going to do more. He even said, oh, cut the ones in front of our windows. So yeah, they'd love me to do all the work for them. So I'm just going to do these two, and I will clean it up, and I'll cut the branches down into small pieces and put them in a bag for garbage pickup. So that's that. I'm going to get my pole saw. I figured out it's about 10 feet, and the pole saw is 10 feet, so I'm sure I can do it out this window. Otherwise, I've got to get on the ladder. I think this is actually the easiest and safest way to do it. 2 quick cuts and I'm done. And let's see what happens. I think I'll get it up here ready, and then I'll open up the window, because again, yeah, as soon as I opened it, it was a blast of heat.
A few moments later.
Will that work? It was a bit of a stretch. I think it was more like 11 feet. Alright, now to go down there and clean that stuff up before they freak out next door. I'm sure she'll come out and scream at me. Oh well, it is what it is.